Being offended arises from the need to explicitly manipulate the other person by assigning them blame, and then ultimately coming out as the laughing third party, even if it was a bit painful at first. The manipulation behind it hides in the desire to show the other person, "Look, this is what you did that has made me feel so bad now. You are to blame. That's why I am hurt now." But if that were to be true, it would mean you have no free will at all, and you are the slave of your counterpart. That means you have no freedom of choice. As a hurt, offended person, you are suffering, and you effectively manipulate your counterpart and other third parties. You are also looking for a circle of allies and those who share your suffering. The more they agree with you, the more you suffer, the more you are a victim of events. The worse is the one who has done this to you. That's why you specifically choose the people you know very well. They will agree with you. This way, you continue to drain their energy. You choose your injury, your offense, to show others, "Look, I'm feeling so miserable." And you might still be crying, "Oh, it wasn't nice." This is how you try to manipulate the other person so that they become nice to you again. That's called manipulation. And you are the manipulator. You simultaneously take on the victim role and the perpetrator role when you manipulate like that. Your injury is merely a manipulation. When the other person has done something that emotionally hurts you and it pains you, then you may cry. Then you can say, "It hurts me," but do not dwell on the injury. Being offended simply means that you want to show the other person, "Look, this is what you did." It's not about whether the other person did something wrong. I don't care about that. It's about you, that you feel better again. And that is a decision you can make. And that is your self-empowerment. You can be the creator of your world by deciding, "I am done with suffering. I am done playing the injured one." This means you are taking responsibility for yourself. When someone emotionally hurts you, for example, your partner, you have free will. You can leave if it becomes too much for you. But often it is easier to stay, as there are many fears behind leaving. It is often easier to play the offended, hurt person and manipulate your partner to make them nice to you again. Leave it alone. Get out there and take responsibility for yourself. Do something for you. You could also set boundaries with your partner. You no longer seek out other players to be hurt and also drain their energy, as they will try to comfort you. You decide whether you want to be offended. I want to encourage you in this video to stop playing the game of being hurt, of being the victim. Then your life will fundamentally change. Then your partner can no longer hurt you. Your boss can no longer hurt you. Your neighbor, your friends, your colleagues. That's great. That's gigantic. It's worth getting out. To get out of it, it is important that you are honest. For it is very difficult to admit to having been in an injury in order to manipulate another. You must be honest with yourself. And on the other hand, say, "Yes, I did that. And it's okay that I did that. Now I know that I can do it differently. And now I can only say, enjoy the day, enjoy the night, whenever you have seen this video, and see you soon. Bye."